All right, I'm gonna show you a secret. I'm a celebrity esthetician. I charge hundreds of dollars for a cryofacial. I'm gonna show you how to do one at home in under a minute. What I want you to do is grab a lightweight oil. I'm gonna use the Daily Botanical Serum, and I'm going to pat it into the skin. Ah. This helps to give slide and glide to the cryo. So I'm gonna grab my gold cryo set, stick them out of the freezer. There's a liquid inside that freezes, so they stay extra cold. The first thing I love to do is just go over the eyes. Ah, this feels so good. Really quickly because they are so cold. This helps to alleviate puffiness above and below. It's very efficient. And then what I love to do is just slide and glide, just like this. Quickly in upwards motions. You always want to go up because you're fighting gravity. Up, 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 just like this. And it's so invigorating because of the cold temperatures. The gold has a lot of benefits for the skin as well. So not only are they efficient, but they're also luxurious because we are rubbing gold just like Cleopatra did. Ah, glowing and ready.